Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube tutorial. So today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful heart granny square. You can use it for a tote bag, you can use it for a blanket, there's so many options. In this video I am using a 3mm hook, but you can use a bigger or a smaller one, depends on the size you want it to be. So this tutorial will be in two parts. There will be the heart that is in purple in the video and the outside part that is white. And if you don't know any crochet stitches, I will link my tutorial down below. Anyway, let's get started. So you're going to start with a magic ring. And then chain 3. Pull a little bit of the yarn tail to make it secure. And now you're going to double crochet 11 times in the magic ring. And when you're done, pull the tail. Now slip stitch into the third chain. Now let's do the second round. So as I'm showing you, you will count 3. And now you're going to triple crochet 8 times into the third stitch you counted. So that's 1, and then you're going to do that 7 more times. So after 8 triple crochet, you're gonna double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And now you're gonna triple crochet in the same stitch you did your last double crochet in. And you're gonna chain 2. And now we basically made half of the heart. So to continue, you're gonna triple crochet in the next stitch, and in the same stitch you're gonna double crochet. And you're gonna double crochet 2 times in the next 2 stitches. And now you're gonna triple crochet 8 times into the next stitch. And when you're done with the 8 triple crochets, you're gonna count 3 and slip stitch into the third stitch. And now we're basically done with the heart part, so you're gonna cut the yarn and pull through the yarn. So now we're gonna do the white part, so you're gonna slip knot. So from there, you're gonna count full from the slip knot, then you're gonna remove your slip knot from the hook. You're gonna pull your hook into the 4th stitch and put back the slip knot into the hook. And from there you're gonna chain 3. You are gonna double crochet in the same stitch you added your slip knot. In the next stitch you're gonna half double crochet. In the next you're gonna single crochet. In the next you're gonna half double. In the next you're gonna double crochet. And now you're gonna do 1 triple crochet in the next stitch. And in the next stitch you're gonna do 2 triple crochets. When you're done with the 2 triple crochets, you're gonna chain 2 and do 2 more triple crochet into the same stitch. In the next, you're gonna double crochet. Again, in the next stitch, you're gonna half double. And do a single crochet in the chain space. Now you're gonna half double in the next. Double crochet in the next stitch. And now you're gonna do 2 triple crochet into the next stitch. You're gonna chain 2 and do 2 more triple crochet into the same stitch. In the next stitch you're gonna triple crochet as well. In the next you're gonna double crochet. Half double in the next, single crochet, half double, and you're gonna do 2 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet into the same stitch. So now we're gonna do a decrease, so you're gonna yarn over, go into the stitch, pull through 2, then yarn over, go into the next, pull through and pull through 2, and then pull through 3. Into the next stitch you're gonna double crochet, triple crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next, and you're going to do the same decrease, so you pull through 2, you keep 2, you yarn over, go back, pull through 2 and pull through 3. And to end the row, you're gonna double crochet 2 times into the same stitch we started, and then chain 2 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain. So now we're gonna do the last one of the granny square, so it is quite easy. You're gonna chain 3, double crochet into the chain space we made, and then take a look at where I double crochet into the next stitch. So you're gonna double crochet exactly where I'm doing, and so you're gonna double crochet all the way until the chain 2 space that we made, And when you arrive there, you're gonna double crochet 2 times into the chain space, then chain 2, then double crochet again 2 times, and then double crochet all the way until the next chain space. So to end, you're gonna double crochet 2 times into the same chain space we started with, then chain 2, and then slip stitch into the 3rd chain. And now you're basically done. So you just have to maybe chain 1 if you want to secure it, and then you can cut the yarn right there. So here you go, you have your heart granny square. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!